Welcome to Storybook Theater. I'm Vanessa.
I'm Elizabeth.
And I'm Cynthia, and today we're going to take a look at one of my favorite poems, The Tale of Custard the Dragon by Ogden Nash. And this comes from a wonderful, wonderful book called Poems to Learn By. So we need to start off with there are some characters in our book, right? And our first character is Belinda. So, we want to create a statue and some movement for Belinda. Now, she's really, really brave, right? So what might that be? So there's Belinda. What will your statue for Belinda be, right? Then she has a little black kitten named Ink. We're going to need our kittens. So everyone out there, be a kitten for me. Then she has a little gray mouse called Blink. Can everybody be Blink? And she has a little yellow dog called Mustard. How are you going to make your dog different than your cat? Right? And then she has a dragon. And his name is Custard. Now, let's just try this. Show me Belinda. Show me Ink. Remember, Ink is the kitten. Show me Blink. Blink is the mouse. Show me Mustard. Mustard is our dog. And show me Custard, our cowardly dragon. He sometimes is cowardly, right? So show me the big, frightening dragon. And then the little cowardly dragon. And one other character comes into our story, and that is a pirate. What might your pirate look like? And he's a frightening pirate. He frightens everyone. And then everyone show me what's it like to be frightened, right? All right, shake that all out. And Vanessa and Elizabeth are going to act this out with you. So you should be up, standing, getting ready to go in your places. And here we go. The Tale of Custard the Dragon by Ogden Nash. Belinda lived in a little white house with a little black kitten and a little gray mouse and a little yellow dog and a little red wagon and a realio, trulio, little pet dragon. Now the name of the little black kitten, show me your kittens, was Ink, and the little gray mouse, she called her Blink, and the little yellow dog was sharp as mustard. But the dragon was a coward, and she called him Custard. Custard the dragon had big, sharp teeth and spikes on top of him and scales underneath. Mouth like a fireplace, chimney for a nose, and realio, trulio, daggers for his toes. Belinda was as brave as a barrel full of bears, and Ink and Blink chased lions down the stairs. Show me you're chasing those lions. Mustard was as brave as a tiger in a rage. Show me those brave dogs. But Custard cried for a nice, safe cage. Belinda tickled him. She tickled him unmerciful. Ink, Blink, and Mustard, they rudely called him Percival. They all sat laughing in their little red wagon at the realio, trulio, cowardly dragon. Belinda giggled till she shook the house. Come on, show me big, big giggles. And Blink said, "Weak," which is giggling for a mouse. How about that tiny mouse giggle? Ink and Mustard rudely asked his age when Custard cried for a nice, safe cage. Suddenly, Suddenly, they heard a nasty sound, and Mustard growled. And they all looked around. Meow, cried Ink. And ooh, cried Belinda. For there was a pirate climbing in the window. He held in his teeth a cutlass bright. He was such a terrible, terrible sight. His beard, it was black. One leg was wood. Oh, it was clear that that pirate meant no good. Belinda paled, and she cried, "Help, help!" But Mustard, he fled with a terrified yelp. Ink trickled down to the bottom of the household, and little Mouse Blink strategically mouseholed. But up jumped Custard, snorting like an engine, clashed his tail like irons in a dungeon, with a clatter around, and a clank around, and a jangling squirm. What does jangling squirming look for a dragon? He went at the pirate like a robin at a worm. The pirate, show me the pirate again. The pirate gaped at Belinda's dragon, and then he gulped some grog from his pocket flagon. He swung his cutlass, but it didn't hit, and Custard, show me Custard, gobbled him every bit. Belinda embraced him. Mustard licked him. No one mourned for his pirate victim. Ink and Blink in glee did gyrate around the dragon that ate the pirate. Belinda still lives in her little white house with her little black kitten and her little gray mouse and her little yellow dog and her little red wagon and her realio, trulio, little pet dragon. Belinda is as brave as a barrel full of bears, and Ink and Blink chase lions down the stairs. Mustard is as brave as a tiger in a rage, but Custard keeps crying for a nice, safe cage. Everyone shake that out. And thanks for joining us with this poem.